Hello friends, very warm welcome. Again, as usual, I have out some special thing for you people. Today I am going to give you a collection of idiomatic sentences. What good speaker always keep on repeating in their sentences, in their dialogue. I mean to say, for those collective things, you people have to enjoy. First idiom I would like to give you: to make a cock and bull story. It's very nice idioms. To make cock and bull story. मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इज मन गढ़ंत बातें करना, मन गढ़ंत कहानी बनाना. टू मेक कॉक एंड बुल स्टोरी. नाउ एंजॉय सेकेंड वन एंड वेरी सिंपल इडियम्स. अ डार्क हॉर्स. अ डार्क हॉर्स मीन्स अनजान, स्ट्रेंजर. The person whom you don't know, if anybody asks that, do you know that person? Directly you can say, no, he is a dark horse for me. That's very nice word. One more word as an idiom I would like to give to you. Pig in the middle. Pig in the middle. There is a very old proverb in Hindi. धोबी का कुत्ता, न घर का न घाट का. In English we can use this pig in the middle. One more word, enjoy, a white elephant. I'm sure this will be very very effective for you people. A white elephant, that thing what is being unnecessarily expensive, but as a return you are not to have anything. जो आपसे खर्च तो कराता है लेकिन आपको उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होता, वैसी चीजें अगर आप रखते हो तो that will be a white elephant for you. A white elephant. That's very nice word. Now one more word I would like to give you, that is called to kill two birds with one stone. To kill two birds with one stone. Meaning of this is एक तीर दो शिकार. Sometimes it is said in rural areas, एक पंथ दो काज. In English this is known to kill two birds with one stone. One more word is there, an old bird. The person who always keeps on quarreling, fighting with other, if one is having this type of nature, then you can say he is an old bird. Old bird, ladaka, you know, the person who keeps on fighting, quarreling always is called an old bird. One more thing, we always take suggestion of our seniors because they have seen lots of things in their life. We want to have their advice because they are an eagle-eyed person. वैसे लोग जो दूर दृष्टि वाले होते हैं, who can give you the right suggestion, they are called eagle-eyed person. Eagle-eyed. This is very nice idioms. So such collective things I will keep on bringing for you all. Have fun of these things and enjoy the taste of this language. If you don't have subscribed my channel, I would like to request you all, please subscribe and keep having collection of such type of thing. It will be very very effective for you all. As a learner you could get a lot. Wait for next video. I'll bring something else for you. Till then, bye and see you.